This review is of Garden of Life Raw Organic Meal Plant-Based Vanilla Chai Flavor Meal Replacement Shake. It's our USDA organic, non-GMO, no sugar, 7 grams of fiber, kosher, and let's see, what else? CertifiedCarbonFund.org. I assume that's carbon neutral. Never heard of that before. Certified gluten-free. You can put it in water, you can put it in a smoothie, use it in baking, mix it with fake milk, whatever. No added sugars, quote unquote, 44 superfoods. Well, I'm sorry, you can't just count every single grain, fruit, and vegetable as a superfood. It doesn't work that way. And superfoods, it's not a scientific term, it's a marketing term. Prebiotics and probiotics, digestive enzymes, certified B Corp. And I think certified organic by QCS. I believe that's it. Nutrition facts, 2 scoops. One scoop, sorry. I was going to start singing that old 2 scoops of raisins in Kellogg's Raisin Bran jingle. 1 scoop in 8 ounces of water. And these are the nutrition facts. 2 grams of fat, of which half a gram is saturated. No trans fats. 1 gram of PUFA, half a gram of MUFA. No cholesterol. 190 milligrams of sodium. 13 grams of carbs, of which 7 are dietary fiber. No sugars. 20 grams of protein. It does include vitamin B12 amongst all these others. It does not have choline in it, unfortunately. It does also have folate and biotin, chromium. Oh my gosh, it's not the most complete I've ever seen, but it's good enough. Lots and lots of organic, natural ingredients, which is expensively interesting. I mean, this is 14 servings. 14 for this 18.76 ounces. You will pay in excess of $30 for this size. They have a larger size, I believe, and that one is over $40. Over 45. I don't know. They were both on sale, but I just needed a smaller one, so I got this. Let's try it. It's got one of those serious seals. I don't know how I'm going to get 14 meal replacements with a scoop this big. This is not an insubstantially sized scoop, but whatever. Blend it up in here. It's already kind of greenish grayish. This is going to be my food until I have my colonoscopy tomorrow. Hopefully it doesn't taste bad. That's actually quite tasty. I don't know how long it took them to come up with this recipe, but it's very nice. It's not going to fill me up by any means. Although I hope that they took into consideration using ingredients that will trigger the sensation of satiation. Because otherwise, I'm going to be so miserable between now and tomorrow. But yeah, it's got a very nice flavor. I can't figure out what it is that is giving it that flavor. I can't exactly say it's savory. It's a sweet beverage. I mean, not like really sweet, just mildly sweet. But yeah, I don't think everyone's going to like this, but for me, this is a treat. quite expensive, but at least it's fairly balanced, and it's made with natural products. So yeah, I'll give this I'll give it 8.5. Thanks for watching, and hope you have a great day.